bullying, exclusion, online harm, conflict, confidence, mental health. Schools and communities are dealing with more than lessons. For over 35 years, Actionwork has used theatre, film, drama and creative education to help young people explore real social issues safely, powerfully and creatively. This channel is where schools and communities can come for creative anti-bullying, social theatre and empowerment resources. You'll find practical anti-bullying films, drama strategies, teacher resources, social theatre training, youth empowerment ideas and creative tools for working with young people. At Actionwork, we do not just talk about change. We rehearse it. We explore it through the body, the voice, the group and the imagination. We help young people build confidence, understand bullying, challenge harmful behaviour and discover safer, stronger ways to respond. Less lecture, more action. More creativity, more power. Subscribe to Actionwork for creative anti-bullying, social theatre and empowerment resources for schools, teachers, young people and communities. Actionwork. Creative action for real change.